Hi guys, it's Joshua again. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment below in the comment section below. So today we are doing combined science, which is the combination of biology, chemistry and physics. But today we will be dealing with the biology section. So let's start by defining the term biology. Biology is the study of life or living matter. Biology, it is the study of life or living matter. Or we can say biology is the study of all living things. It's just the same, it's the one and the same thing. So you can decide what is easier for you. So our first topic in biology is about cells. A cell is a basic unit of life, or it's a basic unit of all living things. That's what we call a cell. So we have terms like cell differentiation and specialized cells. A cell differentiation is when a cell becomes specialized to perform a specific function. That's what we call a cell differentiation, is when a cell becomes specialized to perform a specific function. Then we have specialized cells. These are cells that have a specific structure to carry out specific functions. These are they are cells with that have a specific structure to carry out specific functions, or a group of cells with the same structure and function. So we have there are two types of cells, which are specialized animal cells and specialized plant cells. So firstly, we are going to look at the specialized animal cells. We are going to look at the specialized animal cells. So we have examples of specialized animal cells here. We have got red blood cells and you have got muscle cells. So red blood cells, they are bioconcave or look like round flat disc. Red blood cells, they are bioconcave or they look like a round flat disc. As you can see at the pictures below, they look like a round flat disc. So uh, we want to explain the structure and the function of a red blood cells. They usually ask you to explain how the red blood cell is adapted for its functions. So we have three adaptations. So the first one, it is flexible so that it can squeeze into thin blood vessels without breaking them. It is flexible so that it can squeeze into thin blood vessels without breaking them. Number two, it contains hemoglobin, a red pigment, to enable it to transport oxygen. It contains the red pigment. That red pigment is called the hemoglobin, that enables it to transport oxygen. So number three, it is thicker at the edges than at the middle to create a large surface area for the absorption of oxygen. As we can see on that picture above, it is thicker at the edges than in the middle to create a large surface area for the absorption of oxygen. So here we want to look at the second part of the specialized animal cells. So we have muscle cells. Muscle cells, they are made up of strings called muscle fiber. Muscle cells are made up of strings called muscle fibers. So here, as we can see, we have three of them. We have cardiac muscle, we have a skeletal muscle, and the last one is the smooth muscle. So those are three types of muscle cells: cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, and the smooth muscle. So we want to explain again the structure and functions of a muscle cell, or we are explaining how the muscle cell is adapted for its function. So number one, they are attached to the skeleton to allow an animal to move. Muscle cells are attached to the skeleton to allow an animal to move. Number two, they are very elastic to allow them to contract and to relax to make bones move. They are very elastic, which means they can stretch and they can relax to make bones move. Right? Number three, they are arranged in pairs and they have long fibers held together in bundles. They are arranged in pairs and they have long fibers arranged in bundles. Those are the functions of a muscle cell. Yeah, so for today we are done. We are going to end here. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will be happy if you let me know if this video was helpful to you. Just leave a comment on the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So when we meet next time, we will be talking about specialized plant cells. We'll be talking about specialized plant cells in the next video. So click that notification button so that if we post more videos, you'll be quick to notify. So thank you. Thanks again for watching.